Welcome back. Now, one of the things you're going to have to do is present your content, and you're likely to have to present it either online or offline. Now, if you need to do it offline and you need to do it to some kind of device, you're going to need some connections to your iPhone. Now, the most likely connection you're going to need will be the Lightning Digital AV adapter. This will allow you to connect your iPhone through the Lightning port to an HDMI device. And all you'll need then is the HDMI cord. Now, if you follow one of the other configurations, you're already familiar with the Lightning to USB camera adapter. And you can use this adapter depending on what kind of screen you have to connect to if you need to connect directly from your iPhone to a monitor and hardwire the monitor. Now, if you need to connect to an IBM-based PC, what you can do is you can use a program called Lonely Screen. Now, this is a paid application and you can download a trial, but it will cost $29.95 per year in order to use it with your business. Lonely Screen will allow you to use the screen mirroring application to broadcast your screen to the IBM PC device. Of course, you can use the same screen mirroring device to connect to other Apple devices without the Lonely Screen application. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.